Let's turn to Cheryl Scott. I have a theory that Kim Vadas took off to Florida after she heard your 7-day forecast or 5-day forecast from yesterday.
Maybe we should do the exact same thing. Yeah. But she took off a day too soon. We're going to fit in a nice day for the day today. Temperatures will slowly climb above average, but it is a chilly start, and we will have to wait. As you mentioned, you may want to go to Florida in a couple of days.
Right.
Yes.
Get outside this afternoon while you can.
Exactly.
Okay, Cheryl, thank you very much. We'll see you in just a few minutes. All right, breaking news.
Good morning, everyone. Well, yesterday chilly. This morning we're starting it off with cloudy and some scattered showers.
Compared to that, we have it good today.
Yeah, we would be just as happy as those animals in that video if we were receiving that snow. Boy, we don't have to talk about that today.
Goodness.
But it's going to be an active week of weather overall. So it's the west. So Rockford, Dixon showing the shower activity currently. These showers will be with us throughout the morning into perhaps the early afternoon, but we will dry out and it will be a mostly dry day. Notice the counties in orange here under a wind advisory through the day and evening as winds will be picking up, but it's where our winds are picking up from out of the south that will help out our temperatures. It will be a much warmer day than yesterday. So here's where we're starting across the board. We're into about the upper 30s, lower 40s. We do have that mild air sitting in the south. It's waiting to move in. It will take its time, but come late this afternoon, highs will be above average. So starting off this morning, you may want that winter coat, but layer up because you won't need it later. 39 degrees at O'Hare, Valpo 39, some 40s to the south. We have a warm front lifting overhead, so that's sparking the shower activity this morning. As you notice, some winter precipitation just to the north of us. So areas close to the state line, perhaps a quick burst of some wintry weather. However, that will quickly transition over to showers. That threat is with us through the morning hours only and then into the afternoon. After that front lifts north, we will dry out, get a nice break from the rain activity. Temperatures climb to the mid to upper 60s and lower 70s around the region. Now, the farther north you are, closer to that warm front, a better chance only to be in the 60s, but farther south parts of central Illinois, we're talking lower to mid 70s. Showers, though, they will move in when? With this cold front that will arrive late tonight. So enjoy the day today. We'll fit in some sunshine, warm temperatures, but then showers likely mainly after 11 p.m. tonight. Perhaps a rumble of thunder or two, but that main threat will be just off towards the west of our main viewing area. And then in tomorrow, Tuesday, that frontal boundary will stall out and unfortunately will be a little bit unsettled with the threat of on and off showers, and then another system moves in middle of the week to bring us a threat of more rain and storms. So that's why we're looking active. But today, the warmest day of the week, highs near 70. Enjoy it. Partly cloudy skies during the afternoon. It will be an overall breezy and windy day. Tonight, 53 for a low, showers developing, a chance of a rumble of thunder or two.
Taking off a day too early.
Yeah, today in Illinois, we're going to see those temperatures climb to the mid 70s in some locations. For us, upper 60s and lower 70s, but we will take that, especially after the cooler temperatures that we've had to deal with. However, this morning, stepping out, it is a chilly start and we reach. We'll keep you posted on that, but for a lot of Chicagoland today, highs near 70. Anthony.
That's what we like to hear. Thank you very much, Cheryl. To a developing story now.
Locations. So yes, we're going to talk about how we'll get there in just a second. But live Doppler 5 currently showing that moisture, some rain showers scattered about this morning. We have a frontal boundary that's trying to lift overhead, so that's going to allow for that threat throughout the next couple of hours. But then into the afternoon, we are expecting dry conditions. Counties highlighted in this light shade of orange. We are under a wind advisory until tonight. Winds could gust up to about 30 to 40 miles per hour. So it's going to be an overall windy and breezy day, but it's those winds of change that will bring in and usher in those warmer temperatures. So outside currently upper 30s, lower 40s. That's where we sit right now, midway at 40, Waukegan 36, Gary, Indiana at 41. But satellite and radar indicating this warm front that will continue to lift north. It's going to allow for that threat of early showers in our area, but down towards the south, that's where that warm air is, will continue to push in as this front lifts overhead. And it's going to be an overall mostly dry day. Just the threat of showers this morning into the afternoon. We dry it up. Partly to mostly cloudy skies. I am expecting some sunshine during the afternoon, and we'll stay dry until later on. It's after midnight, really, when that rain will move in with the possibility of a few rumbles of thunder. Until then, breezy conditions and Mid to upper 60s for highs for areas north. Now down to the south, Chicago even included, could reach that 70-degree mark. Here comes the rain showers, 9 o'clock Sunday, perhaps not even here yet. The bulk of that's still west, and then this moves in overnight. Like I said, perhaps a storm or two, that's about it. And then Monday into Tuesday, a frontal boundary will linger, and that could leave some showers in the forecast through Tuesday. By Wednesday and Thursday, another system moves in with rain. So for today's showers early, 70 for a high.
For Cheryl and I, thank you so much for joining us. We'll have news updates during the Today Show, which is next. Then we'll see you right back here at 8 o'clock, when we're going to be talking about calcium confusion. Should you take supplements or not?